So we're here in West Hartford with Trisha, our client. She needed a kitchen renovation in a bad way, but also wanted to add a bedroom and bathroom off the back of the house. This is a big project.
There was a lot of planning. My husband and I started planning this addition 4 years ago. In quoting the project and discussing this project with other contractors, not everyone was willing to make changes throughout. They wanted a set in stone, this is what it's going to be, and no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Your team was willing to always take a step back, listen to me, ask me questions about how I wanted to use the space, and they knew the right questions to ask me when making changes. Ryan even came up with a few fabulous changes that made my kitchen a lot more usable. We didn't have a lot of width. When the team took the back of the house off, we found the plumbing stack. Plumbing stack was right here, and in order to reroute that, Ryan suggested actually building the wall out. I freaked out because I would lose 6 inches of my kitchen, but Ryan made it work. What exactly did you do, Ryan, to make it look perfect without losing too much space?
The way that your cabinets were laid out, to be on a straight plane here, we had an 8-inch void behind where your oven is that we had as a chaseway to fortunately run the pipes down. What was your favorite part of the project?
My favorite part of the project was definitely recreating the 1923 vibe in the house. Most people build an addition and it looks contemporary, big, open. I wanted the addition to feel like it was from 1923 and that we just renovated the space. Zian was willing to go through my home, match all of the molding, all of the woodwork. They matched it to perfection. It looks like it was here since 1923. They were willing to create every door jamb to fit the original 1923 doors that I found in the attic when I purchased the home. And 2 of them were made into pocket doors, the rest for all of the doors of the new rooms. It's absolutely amazing, and it looks like you're in a 1923 original home just renovated for today.
This project definitely was a fun one to do. I just wanted to say thank you for trusting us to do the project for you and for having us back here to talk about it more and to take final pictures and stuff. It just really means a lot. I know I can speak for the whole team. We were stoked to be able to work on this with you.
Thank you. You guys were amazing, and if it wasn't for you, it would have been a lot harder. Your team was amazing. Having them here every day was not a burden. Everyone was fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you so much.